But let's talk about the 16 things that I jotted down that I believe that every radio presenter must do when they are on radio. But let radio be the one that gives content to social media, not the other way around. Because if everything on your show is about social media, then why am I listening to radio? Why am I not on social media? If you're telling me about everything that is on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, why am I listening to you then? Why am I not on social media? First link should be roughly around 30 seconds. Have your name, station, your show. So the instrumental part of the music at the beginning of the song, that is important. You can use that to talk, but you also need to know when vocals will start. So you need to know your music. There are songs that when you introduce, give a reason why. If maybe it's a breakup song, and then you say, if you're going through a breakup, the next song will hit differently. And your listener will listen to that song in a way that they've never listened to the song before. That's when a song is introduced, not just as another song, but as a song that has a meaning and has a reason why it's in this show. Yeah. When you are introducing a topic, please give context. Tell us why we're talking about this. Why are we talking about this? Why is this a topic today? Ungavele nje usilethele itopic ususibuza umbuzo ukuthi ngabe wake wachithelwa kwakunjani ukuchithelwa? Okay, we'd love to engage, but what made you think of that? Sound like yourself. Be natural. Be authentic. Be you. They are not looking for another Tipo Touch. They are not looking for another Linda Smia or Chata. So you need to be yourself. So if you don't know what to say, rather keep your mouth shut and just play music. Only talk when you know exactly what is it that you want to say. Remember that you are talking to one person. Yes, you might be listened by millions of people because you are on a big radio platform or radio station. But people are listening to you individually. They are not listening to you as a group. So that's what I was taught. So when you're on radio, you are talking to one person. One person. It's not about you. It's always about the listener.